Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today we'll be making a honey balsamic grilled chicken and vegetables. I found this recipe to be very easy to make, especially the marinade for the chicken, and there's lots of vegetables in it, and now during the summer we have so much produce available that it's a perfect time to grill some fresh, tasty vegetables. So let me get started by explaining what I did with the marinade for the chicken. So I already have it marinated. What I did was I mixed 3 tablespoons of store-bought pesto sauce. So you can just choose the one that you prefer. 1 garlic clove crushed, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and the juice of half of a lime. And then I took the chicken, put it all in a container, shook it really nicely, and this has been marinating for about 7 hours. What you want it to do is make sure that you marinate it for at least an hour before you cook it, and preferably if you can marinate it overnight, even better. Here we've got the vegetables that we're going to grill with that, which by the way, the grill is preheating currently at to medium heat. We have 1 pound of asparagus, which is already trimmed and ready to go. 1 red pepper sliced, and 2 medium zucchinis cut in about 1/4 inch thickness. You don't have to be exact, you just want to make sure that they're not too thin so they don't get mushy too quickly. Some salt to season the vegetables at the grill, and then the honey balsamic drizzle is going to be made with 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, and half a tablespoon of honey. And this is the first thing that we're going to combine right now. We're going to add all the ingredients together. Mix that in. And this is what we're going to drizzle at the end after everything's cooked. The honey will really help kind of balance out the acidity of the balsamic dressing. And this is just a half a tablespoon of honey for all this food. So really per serving, you're not going to get much sugar from the honey, but it will really balance out the sauce. So I highly recommend it. Now that the sauce is mixed, let's grab the chicken, the vegetables, and head over outside to the grill to get them cooking. Follow me. Okay, so earlier I said medium heat, but truly I heated up to medium high heat. And I made sure to grease this with oil very nicely so nothing sticks. I have this pan where I'm going to put the vegetables so they don't fall through the grill. So I'm going to start cooking about half of each one of these because I just don't have enough space. So I'm going to lay these out. Spray them with Pam spray. And season them to taste with salt. And I'm just gonna turn them every so often until they're browned in the outside, and then I'll remove them from the heat. Now I'm gonna place the chicken on the grill. They smell really good already. I'm going to give the chicken about 4 to 5 minutes each side. All right. And just keep an eye on them. The chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to flip it real quick. Whoops. There you go. Nice. That's what we want. Those grill marks. This side is not as hot, so let me turn, move this one to this side here. There we go. And I'm just gonna keep tossing these, flipping them around until they're nicely brown. Okay, I think the chicken must be done. A cool way to know if the chicken is done, if you twist it like this, you'll be able to rip inside of it. And as you can see, it's all fully white. There's no pink, so we know that's good. And there's still going to be a little bit of what's called carryover cooking, where the chicken will keep cooking outside of the grill. And I brought the balsamic honey sauce. I'm going to drizzle some of this on top. And then I'm just going to wait for these vegetables to be ready. The last of the vegetables are ready, so I'm going to pull these out. Transfer them to my bowl with the chicken. Whoops, I don't want that asparagus too. There we go. We're gonna drizzle a little bit more of the balsamic sauce on top. And then we'll bring it in for plating. Okay, so let's go ahead and plate our food. I'm gonna find a piece of chicken down here. You grab the portion that you will eat. We'll let's make it look pretty. We'll put a couple of asparagus here on top. Some zucchini. Some red bell peppers. Because we eat with our eyes. So if we make it pretty when we plate it, it's going to taste better. And again, we've got the drizzle here, the balsamic drizzle, and I'm going to pour a little bit more on top. And that's it. There you have it. Honey balsamic grilled chicken and vegetables. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.